Alright. Hello there. We are about to eat a ice cream sundae. And we have what's your name?
Eli.
Eli. And then who are you?
Evan.
Evan. And then Lisa. And who are you? Who are you?
Newborn.
You're Isaac. Okay, we're gonna.
Isaac.
It's not his birthday, but he said we should sing happy birthday before we eat. So,
I want the candles.
you want candles? We don't have candles, honey.
Why?
I don't know. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isaac. Happy birthday to you.
Eat it right now.
Okay, let's eat it right now. Okay. Okay, bye.